Hi, I'm Jordan from the Tux Library, and welcome to the first installment in our brand new series of #UPisLit 1 Minute Book Reviews. Today I'll be talking about The Palm-Wine Drinkard by Amos Tutuola, an absolutely fantastic fantasy adventure novel from Nigeria. It's one of my all-time favorites. The style is completely unique, and it's just a lot of fun. So basically the premise of the novel, the main character really likes a drink. So he hires someone to tap palm wine for him so that he can drink constantly, but then his palm wine tapster dies, and he gets so desperate for another drink, he decides to take all of his father's juju and embark on this dangerous journey through the bush to the land of the dead to rescue the palm wine tapster. Along the way he encounters all sorts of monsters and creatures and ghosts that are just so imaginative. It's fantastic. If you're a fan of Douglas Adams or Ben Ockrey, Terry Pratchett, if you really like the Studio Ghibli films as well, then I can't recommend The Palm-Wine Drinkard enough. You can find a copy on level 6 of the Morensky 2 library, and you'll thank me later.